What's up, gems? Welcome to the video. So I have this long outstanding project that I've been meaning to work on for some time now, but things have been happening, so there was a delay, but I'm finally gonna work on it today. I have these boxes. They're actually computer boxes that my workplace changed out the desktops. So I saw the boxes and I thought, what we can do with them here. So I took 3 of them home and I'm going to make them into a bench. As you can see, they're sturdy. I asked my coworkers to sit on them of varying sizing, weight sizes. So I asked them to sit on it to test it out to see how strong they are. They are very strong, very firm and strong. So right now I'm gonna head to Bashko and Pings to get some material. I'm not 100% sure what material I'm going to use to cover them yet, but I'm gonna do that and come back. If you're interested in seeing how that turns out, stick and stay.
This is who I am. The good and the bad, the mess, the beauty, the joy. And that's what I have always been ashamed of. And now it's like, it's like that saying, the privilege of a lifetime is being who you are. Ooh.
So I found this in the assorted aisle, in the assorted box, and I'm thinking it would be good to use. And it's broad enough. I think I'm gonna use it for the top. Okay, so I'm back from downtown. I got zip ties, another glue gun, sponge, upholstery fabric. And I have my scissors and some tape. So we're gonna jump into it just to show you guys how strong this is. The first thing I did was to tape the boxes together, and I used the force between my legs to join it to make it as tight as possible. I would definitely advise you guys to use like I don't know, Ponal glue or any strong type of glue you have, or a staple gun. A staple gun would have been perfect, quick and fast, but I used what I had, which was tape, and it did the job perfectly fine for me. Here I am again showing you guys how strong and sturdy the box is. The boxes are really strong, so they hold my weight. Here I am putting on these sponges. I'm just measuring it up. It was a little broader than it needed to be, so I drew my line and went in and cut that down just so it fit. And then I went for my glue gun. I was really struggling with the glue gun because the trigger was malfunctioning, so it was giving a lot of trouble, and the new gun that I bought made absolutely no sense, so I was stuck with this one, but I made do with it. Definitely, again, I'm going to repeat, use a stronger glue like Ponal or something like that, but the glue stick did the job. And I had gone ahead and measured up my upholstery fabric to cover the box, so here I am just gluing it onto the box. I'm struggling again with the glue gun, but I did get it done. And I also used an iron, and the iron really helped to make the glue stick because it added some heat, and also it helped to straighten out the fabric. The fabric is thick, but you could see some creases in it, and at the end of the video you'll see a little issue that I ran into using the iron, but it's workable. And I just went around with the glue gun until I covered the whole bottom of the fabric. Here I am cutting strips of the upholstery fabric. No, I didn't measure them. I just eyeballed it and cut it to what I thought was equal. Let me tell you, the heat was ridiculous today. I was just so miserable in the heat, but the work had to be done. So what I've done is to cut the material into strips, and I am going to layer it over under like how it is now, and then I'm just gonna glue it on and finish up. Wanted it to have a little textured look, so this is the plan. This was the most tedious part of the project. It took a lot of time. The whole project took me about 4.5 hours to 5 hours to complete, but this part took most of the time. I wish I had a staple gun or a stronger glue. So what I had to do was to just sew down the fabric to get it sturdy enough to do the weaving, and it did work out. It did take some time, but it worked out how I wanted it to. And this was it, 3/4 of the way done. I just had a couple more sides to sew down, and I did that. And let me tell you, okay, gems, so this is the final product. I am in love with it. My only thing is that I got some smudges at the bottom when I was doing the pressing. I'm not sure how to get out those, but I love it. It's a little chill spot. I got the pleated thing done, and it looks so cozy. Tell me what you guys think. Would you add or take away anything? The color. So project number 2 is done. I have a second cozy corner where I can drink and eat and bless me. I'm so sorry, excuse me guys. I have a second corner where I can chillax. Then look on this. Tell me if me right here. I show me said the bench strong, you know. All of that just for showing said the bench strong so we can carry on with myself. Anyways, yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and come back. Bye.